The music's gonna like actually get me to like cry, I
Getting
think.
this launcher isn't easy. Those wing gliders are almost here. Still need to put the wings in place. Can't have a wing glider without
Oh!
wings.
There you go! Toothless!
Any direction.
Oh! Whoa! Uphill launch, baby! Whoa! Woo!
This is terrible.
Whoa! Woo-hoo! Yeah! Whoa!
And on your left, you'll see some bronco legs, which are well known to explode when they hatch. But don't worry, they only hatch in exactly these conditions at exactly this time of year,
Oh no!
which means that stopping here would be a really bad idea.